Yeah, bro. So I want to show you the song. The song you asked me in the key of C. Okay, this is the key of C. Okay, like I showed you in the previous video. Okay, this is the key of C. We have the root here also. Okay, we have the root here also. Okay, so originally I told you that this is the C major chord. Okay, but you can play a source chord like this. Okay, I told you something like that. You can play a source chord instead of the C major. Okay, so this is the key of C on the third string. Okay, on the third string, this is the key of C. Okay, on the third string. So this is your source chord. From your root, your saw, your do, and your re. Okay. Okay. Then you play your saw. Okay. This is your saw chord. Okay, and you can play a full bar chord like this. Okay, all you just need to do is just take your first finger from the root here. Okay, then so from the root here, you just bar from the root here, then your index finger goes on the mi third string, while your ring finger goes on the re here, okay, on the fifth string. Your pinky goes under your saw. Okay, that is your saw chord. Okay, your bar full saw chord, then your va the same thing. Okay, instead of playing a half chord like this, you play the full chord. Okay, then this another chord there in that song is la. This is your la, your do ti la so fa mi re do ti la. So la is a minor note, so you play the minor chord. You don't put the mi, you play the minor chord. Okay, your first finger bar from the la to the la. Okay, while your ring finger and your pinky finger goes under the mi and la. Okay, that is your la chord. So another chord there is your re chord. Your re now, this is the key of this is your re, do, re. So you have your re. Okay, you have your re, la, re, la. Okay, so you play your re, la, re, va. Okay. Okay. So, and another chord in that song is your mi. I showed you your mi chord here, which is your major seventh. I show you your major. Okay, you take your first finger to the root. Okay, while your index finger goes on the T on the third string. Okay, then your ring finger goes on the saw. Okay, then your pinky finger goes on the mi. Okay, so this is how you hold it. Mi. Okay, do, sol, mi. Okay, do, sol, si, mi. Okay. to the first string. Okay, so that is the basic chord that are in that song. Okay,